Nothing makes beer taste better than cool, clear Rocky Mountain spring water. Where are the Rocky Mountains anyway?
Philadelphia.
Really? I thought they were out west someplace.
Think about it, Raj. Where did the movie Rocky take place?
Philadelphia. Okay, now I get it.
So this is the plan. From now on, we're just gonna hide out in here to avoid the shamey.
I'm very comfortable here. Penny dear, why don't you shoot another silver bullet my way?
Yourself.
Ooh, somebody's been taking bitchy pills.
He's an ass when he drinks.
Well, he's an ass when he doesn't. You just don't hear it.
To start entertaining the possibility that the shamey could go on for years.
If that's the case, Penny will have to get satellite TV and maybe once a week want to vacuum through this place.
I thought you were gonna talk to Sheldon.
Well, I did.
Well, what'd he say?
Well, he pointed out that he kind of sort of had to put up with you.
Kinda, sorta, hadda?
Well, I didn't agree with him.
Well, you defended me, right?
I tried. Really well-reasoned argument.
Is that right?
What?
Gimme. I do this for my mom. With the grain.
Oh, that is better.
Someday, when you have varicose veins, I'll show you how to massage them.